Good morning, hoppers, and welcome to Mucho Hop. Today I have a Ryanair flight from Santiago de Compostela to Valencia. So I'm going to show you guys how I check in my bag and how I get to the plane, okay? In Santiago de Compostela. I love it here. I like these small airports because you don't have to like run to the other side of town, you know, because a lot of these airports are like big cities, the big ones, you know. First thing I do is I look for the counters for Ryanair, the counters where I check in. I go to this screen here. So I have an 8:30 flight to Valencia and the counters are 23 to 24. That is over there. Ooh, big dog. And this is my suitcase. I love this suitcase. It's Titan and it has 4 wheels and I really love it. If you want to know more about it, the link is below. 23 and 24 are here.
Positiva, entonces es bueno.
Vale, gracias. So that literally took 3 minutes to do. I showed them my boarding pass and my identification, and they just gave me a stub for my bag, and that's it. And they took my bag. So that's it. There was no line. You saw that I was the first one there. So it was really easy. You see, it's no big complication. In big airports, it's the same thing, just that you might have to walk a little more and the line is longer, so it takes longer. But all you have to do is show them your boarding pass, if you can get it, because depending on the flight, sometimes you can't get your boarding pass, and show ID, and that's it. If it's an international flight, you show your passport. That's it. Give them your suitcase and they take it. Okay, now I'm gonna finish my liquids because I have to go through security. This is the only liquid I have on me right now because all the others I checked in. They're in my suitcase that you saw before, okay? I don't have to present anything in security as far as liquid. So I won't have to have that 1 liter baggie with no container, bigger than 100 milliliters. Okay, so I'm ready to go through security. It's empty and there's one entrance right there. I will have to show my electronic devices, take them out of my bag, and remove any metal items from my body, and that's it. All you need to go through security is your boarding pass. I don't know why I laugh about these things. Well, some people get really serious when they have to go through security. Well, you guys can laugh too.
Vertical o horizontal,
Pero lanzado.
Sacamos líquidos y aparatos electrónicos.
Get a tray. That was one of the fastest security checks ever. That's the advantage of a small airport. And coming early. Now duty free. Now they have a new stand inside the secure area. New store. Okay, time for breakfast. Oh, no breakfast. Look at the screen. It says 8:30 flight to Valencia, Ryanair. Boarding, embarque, it's boarding, so I have to go to the gate 14. Okay, let's go. 14 is this way. Yeah.
Boarding to Valencia is welcome to boarding at the 14. Take a moment to locate seat number. Please board the grab using the front door or the doors indicated.
ID and boarding pass.
Hola. Hola. Gracias, buen vuelo.
Gracias.
Hola.
So I'm going in through the back of the plane because my seat is towards the back and it says it on my ticket. 2 doors. (22F).
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. You are all very welcome board this Ryanair flight to Valencia.
22F.
tramo del vuelo. Ordenadores portátiles deberán estar guardados en su equipaje de mar.
Cabin crew, seat for landing, please.
It's smoking. Baggage claim, flight from Santiago, belt 6. Okay, hoppers, I hope you enjoyed this video. I have my suitcase. I think I'm gonna have breakfast, film another video, and then I'm going to the coast of Valencia. So see you guys soon. Bye. Thanks for watching.